Hey, what up guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Boyd Lewis, the six-figure tech career coach. In this video, we're gonna be doing something very different, very special, something that I absolutely love, and that is giving back. What most people don't realize is I take a significant amount of time to share my story and mentor and coach high school students, specifically in Fort Worth, Texas, the area that I grew up. So I want you to join me on this journey. We're getting ready to go over there right now. We're gonna talk about something that you need too, some mindset stuff. We're gonna talk about identity. So this is gonna be amazing. Let's go. And people didn't expect me to become successful or anything like that. And I somehow did it, right? But what I believe is success leaves breadcrumbs, and there's a strategy that can be reproduced to achieve success. And that's what we're talking about today. Before we ever get into any type of technology, and it's the same thing that I do at my training academy, we have to deal with the mind first, because too many people want things, they set goals, but they never create systems or processes or strategies that help them get those goals, because the goal is a result of what work you did. But if you don't know what work is required, you'll never achieve that result. But oftentimes, the person you are right now is not capable of creating that result, of getting that outcome. You have to evolve. So we're teaching them right now. We're having them go through a process to work backward. Your future self, what goal does that person have? What characteristics does that person have? And then self-reflection. Do I have those character traits right now to meet up with that? And the chances are probably no. But at 15 years old, you can go develop the skills, the traits in order to achieve that goal, versus graduating high school, going to college, and think it's going to automatically happen. Because being real, the person I was 10 years ago was not capable of running a multi-million-dollar company, speaking on stages around the world. I was not capable. I did not have the skills or the traits to be able to make it happen. But I knew that was the goal, so I had to go develop those. I had to develop those through a system of habits. And that's what we're talking about. Every result that you have right now, every outcome you have is a result of the habits that you've done over time. So if you can be aware of the negative habits to change those to positive habits, then you can achieve your goals, because I wholeheartedly believe that you can achieve any and everything that you want if you plan for it and you execute that plan. It's as simple as that. Most people give up when they don't see the result. But I like to think of it as a story that I heard, that an old man got up every day and he was a stonemason. There's this big old round rock. He got up, put a nail in it, and he hit it one time hard every single day. Every single day he goes out and hits it. And then somebody comes to watch him on the 100th day hit this big nail into the rock, and it just splits. And they're like, wow, you're really strong. You hit that rock and it split. They're like, no. It was not the one hit that broke the rock. It was the consistency of the habit of striking it every day that led to that last blow, which was the outcome. The system produces the outcome in every area of your life. And as soon as you understand that, the sooner that you'll take responsibility for your own results, because only you can do it. So you have to change your environment sometimes, change your work location sometimes, but change your habits to achieve something greater. If not, it won't happen. So that is the message for today. And I'm glad that you got it, but I'm super excited that these young high school kids have it and they can go implement this so they can change their lives for the better. So can you. Peace.